Hi there. Today's recipe is Pizza Paratha Parcels. The melted stringy cheese inside the parcels are a big hit not only with kids but grown-ups too. It's a simple recipe that you will be able to make from scratch. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's begin by making a quick tomato sauce. Extra virgin olive oil. Let it heat up slightly. Add in some finely chopped onions and some finely chopped capsicum. Cook them till the raw smell goes away. Add in a cup of fresh tomato paste, garlic paste. Mix it all up. Let it come to a simmer. Lower the heat. Add in 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, some chili sauce, preferably the red one. I'm just using a green chili sauce today. A bit of soy sauce, light or dark. I'm using the light one. Oregano. Salt. Pepper. Give this all a mix. Bring it to a simmer. Cover it and cook for about 10 minutes on low heat. Checking after 5 minutes. That has thickened. Add in a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. And I'll just cover it and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. To finish off, add in some vinegar, bit more of the oregano. Turn off the heat, give it a mix and let it cool down to room temperature. Our sauce is ready. For the dough, 1.5 cups of multigrain flour. Season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, bit of oregano. Mix the dry ingredients. Add in some vegetable oil or olive oil. Add in water, a little at a time, to knead a smooth dough, which is not very soft. Once it all comes together, just knead it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Drizzle a bit of oil. I'm using the extra virgin olive oil again. Coat it with the oil, cover it and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, just knead the dough once again, lightly this time, and divide it into balls of equal size. I got 8 from this dough. Make as big or as small a ball that you like. Now we are going to use a bit of all-purpose flour or maida to roll these out. You could also use oil in its place. Make them smaller in size and you have party snacks. Roll it out as thinly as you can. That's thin, so just keep it aside. Roll out the rest of them. I'm using some pizza topping As the stuffing for our paratha, I have some chopped onions, chopped capsicum, thinly sliced baby corn and thinly sliced olives. You could use mushrooms and other toppings as well. Mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese and the prepared tomato sauce. A bit of water and a brush. I use this for decorating cakes. Get everything ready before you start stuffing the paratha. We'll begin by adding a bit of sauce. Spread that out. Try and get it into a triangular shape. Then goes the topping, some onions, capsicum, baby corn, olives, bit of cheddar cheese and lots of mozzarella. Now for the triangle fold, we need to fold it in 3 and brush a bit of water so that when I fold over, the other part, it will stick. And finally, you could just tuck this edge. There's a neat parcel. Lift it up gently and keep it aside. Let's build the next one in the same way. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Heat a tawa or a flat pan, drizzle with some oil and place the pizza paratha. Flip it over and fry it on the other side. Cook it on medium heat till you get a nice color on it. That's done. Just take it out. Fry the rest of them. Serve the pizza paratha parcels hot and enjoy.